Hi everybody, let me show you this is a coffee grinder. It's the Cuisinart coffee grinder, and let me unbox for you to see how does it look like, and I will tell you quick how does this work and how we use this. See, it's run beans for 1 to 12 cups. Runs your favorite beans for fresh flavorful coffee. Stainless steel blade. Ultra sharp blade for quick and consistent results. One touch operation. Just press one and off buttons, and hold for easy branding. That's the one I got. Is a model number here. And this is in another language. In here, and how does this work? Coffee grinder. And this one is a safety interlock lid, preventing units from operating until this is firmly in place. Large bowl allows you to run enough beans for up to 12 cups. And this one is easy to clean housing and requires nothing more than a quick whip. And this one is on and off button, press and hold to brown beans. And this one is stainless steel blade for consistent, reliable performance. And here is a back cold storage, not so stuck into base for the clutter-free storage, BPA free. And this is brand 1 to 12 cups, stainless steel plates, one touch operation, shelf and secure. And it's on the bottom here for household use only. Actually, I bought this in August 2020, but I haven't opened yet. It's staying in my in the garage. I just got in. I just remember it, and I just bought it. Actually, that time I bought to buy something for my dad, but unfortunately, I don't need it anymore. Yeah, this is inside, and this is they have instruction booklet here, and important safety guards, and this one's these instructions for household use only, operating instruction, and this is branding suggestions, and measurement suggestions, cleaning, storage, and maintenance instructions. And this quantity, California resident only. This book I just supposed to show you this first, but somehow so you later. Cuisinart manure no, that's in different language. I think I did the Irish, right? Yeah. That's English this side, and this is the Spanish. And maybe that's the secret important days. I don't know how to read it, just read. I know how to read it. Para uso, I think so. Domestico, solamente. Avisa, I think avisa is right. Instruction, Anyway, let's go to see. Oh, one more. Register your products. Register your product now. Take a photo. Step 2, send it in. Okay, let's see this how this the real one. Yeah, that's kind of small. Yeah, they have I think you open it. Like the coffee in here. Place the lid on. This oh, you have to put it like this. It's kind of easier. So yeah. And then oh, here is the button. You have to hold this to burn the coffee. So that means when you put the coffee in and put the light on, hook up the electric in the electric outlet, and then press this button until your coffee is burn to the size you want. This one, I think you can use this to burn the garlic, or you burn the lemongrass. Lemongrass, I think you chop this piece by piece, put in and burn. And I think you can burn nut too. Yeah. Okay, that's all. Thank you for watching. See you next video. Bye bye. Here, does that show you this side? No. I think, yeah. Fresh brown flavor. Oh, enough before. I think I did, right? 12 cups to coffee, simple and self, one touch control within the block. Click feature prevent run from operating unless the list is secure and fasten and build to last durable stainless steel blades. Assembly keep on running, easy clean up. Just wipe the housing leak ball and blade clean. Keep it neat. Cold storage keep counter neat and clutter free. And this is I just show you inside here. Yeah, and this is a lid on, and this is that's it. Once again, thank you for watching. See you next video. Bye.